we'll talk about the quadratic equation and complex number. Okay, we all are familiar with the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, this is a polynomial equation. Okay, so in case of any quadratic equation, this a, b and c, these are real coefficients. Okay, now if here the degree of this polynomial equation is 2. Why? Because x का जो maximum power is 2. Okay, so in any polynomial equation the the degree is equal to the number of roots. ठीक है, in this equation, in this polynomial equation, the degree is 2, so there will be 2 roots. Okay, so if the degree of any polynomial equation is n, then root will be also n. Degree is n, then there will be n roots of that polynomial equation. Okay, now if we are taking this example only, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, in this case what will be the roots? Roots क्या होते हैं? x के 2 roots होंगे, because degree is 2, there will be 2 roots, and the roots will be minus b plus minus square root of 4ac, b square minus 4ac. Okay, so b square minus 4ac. Okay, divided by 2a. ठीक है, so these there are two roots. एक तो है this is plus, it means 2 हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, by divided by 2a. So these are the two roots of a quadratic equation, but in this case b square minus 4ac should be greater than equal to 0. अगर ये पार्ट 0 या उससे ग्रेटर रहेगा, it means that is positive or 0, it means we are getting a real number, then the roots of x will be real. Okay, so then we'll get real roots, otherwise we'll get imaginary. So here we are talking about the complex quadratic equation in complex number. So in this case b square minus 4ac will be lesser than 0. Okay, lesser than 0 होगा, it means square root of b square minus 4ac will be a negative number का square root, and negative, as you all know that square root of minus 1 is equal to I. ठीक है, so this way whenever we are solving the sum, we'll get the roots जो हमें मिलेंगे, that will be a quadratic, that will be a complex number, because this will be, अगर ये positive रहे या negative रहे b, we'll get a real number, but for this one we'll get imaginary if b square minus 4ac is lesser than 0. Okay, so we'll do one sum, एक sum करते हैं, then we'll better understand. X square plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a polynomial equation, of quadratic equation. Degree is 2, so there will be 2 roots. Okay, so x square will be equal to minus 2, and then x will be equal to square root of plus minus square root of minus 2. Okay, तो minus 1 into 2, तो minus 1 का I होता है, तो plus minus I root 2. Okay, so the two roots of x are, एक तो होगा plus plus I root 2, and second one is minus I root 2. So these are the two roots of x. Okay, now we'll do exercise 5.3. 5.3 of NCERT. Okay, so the first question is, what's the first question? X square plus 3 is equal to 0. It means x square will be equal to minus 3, then x will be equal to plus minus square root of minus 3. So what value will get for x? X के लिए will get two values. एक होगा plus I root 3 and दूसरा होगा minus I root 3. Okay, so these will be the two roots of x. Now next question, that is 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, in this case we can write as we know that quadratic equation के में x के two roots क्या होते हैं? माइनस बी प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac divided by 2a. Now we'll take a का value. What is the value of a? A का value is 2, b का value is 1 and c का value is also 1. Okay, now we'll put the value of a, b, c in this one. So it will be x is equal to minus b, तो minus 1 plus minus square root of b square, 1 का square minus 4 into a का value is 2 and c का value is 1 divided by 2 into a, that is 2. So minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 8 divided by 4. Okay, so x का value will be minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 7. So minus 7 will be I square root of 7 divided by 4. So the two roots are in complex term we can write complex number a plus I b के term में we can write x is equal to minus 1 upon 4 plus minus I root 7 upon 4. Okay, so this will be the quadratic, this will be the roots of x. Okay, and the term of complex number. Now the next question, question number 3. X squared plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Now x will be equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 9. Now we'll put the value of a, b, c in this one. So what we'll get? Minus 3 plus minus square root of b square, मतलब 3 का square, minus 4ac, 4 into a into c का value is 9 divided by 2 into a का value is 1. Okay, so we'll get minus 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 36 divided by 2. So x का value will get minus 3 plus minus 9 minus 36 will be equal to minus 27. So minus को तो square root of minus 1 will be I and 27 का square root will be 3 root 3. Okay, divided by 2. So दो रूट्स क्या होंगे x के? minus 3 plus I 3 root 3 divided by 2 and minus 3 minus I 3 root 3 divided by 2. ठीक है, now these are the roots of x. Now we'll do the next question, that is question number 4. Minus x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x के two roots क्या होंगे? minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and a is equal to minus 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 2. Okay, so now we'll put the value of a, b, c in this one. So we'll get minus b, so minus 1 plus minus b square मतलब 1 का square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a. So this will be minus 1 plus minus 1 minus, and minus minus plus होगा and minus, तो minus 4 into 2 will be 8 divided by 2 into, अच्छा 2 into a का value is minus 1, so it will be 2 minus 1 will, and that will be equal to 2. So minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 7, that will be I root 7, okay, and divided by minus 2. Now we'll take minus common, x will be equal to, minus common ले लेंगे, so it will be 1 minus plus I square root of 7 divided by 2. Okay, so these are the two roots. Okay, minus plus we can write, so we can write plus minus or minus plus, दोनों भी लिख सकते हैं when we are taking common. Okay, so it will be, these are the two roots of x. Okay, next question number 5. X square plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. x का टू रूट्स क्या होगा, माइनस बी प्लस माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac डिवाइडेड बाई 2a. ओके, एंड a का वैल्यू 1, b का वैल्यू 3 एंड c का वैल्यू 5. सो x विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस b, तो माइनस 3 प्लस माइनस b स्क्वायर मतलब 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस 4 इंटू a इंटू c divided by 2 into a minus b, okay, plus minus 9 and 4 into 5 20 divided by 2. Okay, so this will be minus 3 plus minus square root of 11 minus 11, so it will be I square root of 11 divided by 2. So x के two roots क्या होंगे, minus 3 plus I root 11 divided by 2 and minus 3 minus I root 11 divided by 2. Okay, now question number 6. X squared minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So again x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and a का वैल्यू is 1, b का वैल्यू is minus 1 and c का वैल्यू is 2. Okay, so putting the value of a, b, c in x, what we'll get, minus b, तो minus of minus 1 plus minus b square minus 1 का whole square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a. It will be minus minus plus 1 plus minus square root of 1 का square 1 minus 8 divided by 2. So it will be 1 plus minus I square root of 7 divided by 2. So x के two roots क्या होंगे, 1 plus I root 7 divided by 2 and 1 minus I root 7 divided by 2. Okay, seven square root of 2x square plus x plus square root of 2 is equal to 0. X will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. a का वैल्यू is square root of 2, b का वैल्यू is 1 and c का वैल्यू is square root of 2. Now we'll put the value of a, b and c. So minus b plus minus square root of b square मतलब 1 का square minus 4 into a into c, okay, divided by 2 into a. So we'll get minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 minus 8 divided by 2 root 2. So we'll get minus 1 plus minus I square root of 7 divided by 2 root 2. So x के two roots होंगे minus 1 plus I root 7 divided by 2 root 2 and minus 1 minus I root 7 divided by 2 root 2. Next is 8. Next question. Square root of 3 x square minus square root of 2x plus 3 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so x का वैल्यू क्या होगा? x का वैल्यू will be equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a and we'll write the value of a, b and c. So a का वैल्यू क्या होगा? a का वैल्यू will be square root of 3. Okay, b का वैल्यू minus 2 root 2 and this one. Okay, so b का वैल्यू will be minus square root of 2 and c का value will be 3 root 3. Now we'll put the value of a, b, c and in x. So x का value will be minus b. So minus of minus root 2 plus minus b square minus root 2 का whole square minus 4a. A is root 3 and c is 3 root 3. Divided by 2 into a का root 3. Okay, so it will be minus minus plus square root of 2 plus minus square root of minus of square root of 2 का whole square will be 2 and minus 4 into 9 will be equal to 36 and 2 root 3. So x का value will be square root of 2 plus minus I square root of 34. Okay, 2 root 3. So we can take square root of 2 common. So we'll get 1 plus minus I square root of 17 divided by 2. 2 means square root of 2 into square root of 2 into square root of 3. So we can cancel. So what value we'll get for 2 roots of x will be 1 plus minus I square root of 17 divided by square root of 6. Okay, 2 roots of x. Now next question, question number 9. X square plus x plus 1 upon square root of 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so we can solve this. It will be square root of 2 x square plus square root of 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x के 2 roots क्या होंगे? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where a is square root of 2, b is square root of 2 and c is equal to 1. Okay, so this will be equal to, we'll put the value of a, b, c in this one. So we'll get minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 into a का value is square root of 2 and c का value is 1 divided by 2 into square root of 2. So x का value will be minus root 2 plus minus 2 minus 4 root 2 divided by 2 root 2. Okay, so 4a into c. So it will be minus root 2. We can take root 2 common. Okay, minus root 2 plus minus. Here we can take 2 common. So we'll get 1 minus 2 root 2. Okay, divided by 2 root 2. Now when we'll take this root 2 out. Okay, सो माइनस ओके नॉट माइनस, ओनली √2 हम कॉमन लेते हैं. सो विल गेट -1 प्लस माइनस, यहाँ से विल टेक 2 कॉमन, आई मीन स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर से 2 कॉमन लेंगे. इट मीन्स वी आर टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 बाहर. सो व्हाट विल गेट, यहाँ पे 1 माइनस 2√2 डिवाइडेड बाय 2√2, √2 cancel, so we'll get -1 plus minus, okay, 1 is lesser than 2√2, so minus we can take common and it should be 2√2 minus 1 divided by 2. So x के 2 roots will be equal to -1 plus minus I square root of 2√2 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so these are the 2 roots of x. Now last question of this exercise, x square plus x divided by square root of 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So we'll solve this first. Square root of 2x square plus x plus square root of 2 is equal to 0. Now value of a, coefficient a is equal to √2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to √2. So what will be the value of x? X का value होगा, the 2 roots of x will be minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now we'll put the value of a, b, c in this. So minus b plus minus b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a. X will be equal to -1 plus minus 1 minus 8 divided by 2√2. So it will be 1 minus 1 plus minus I square root of 7 divided by 2√2. Okay, so this will be the these are the 2 roots of x. Okay, so I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.